Hey guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn on or off the welcome message on this MG Marvel R. This one is Performance Edition. So first of all, you have to turn on your car, of course, and then you go to the menu. You go to the settings, sorry. When you press the setting button, then you scroll down to voice. Oh, I'm already here. There is, let me see here, yeah. There's a wake up command, hello MG. I have turned it off because I found out, or actually I'm testing it out because I think I'm using Android Auto and I think it's not working. The Android Auto voice command is not working as long as wake up command is on. So I'm testing that out. So if I found out that it works, I will post an update on that. But you have to go to settings and press voice and then simply just turn off greetings, and you can turn on greetings and you can choose a random message, or you can customize something you want to have the MG car to say when you turn on your car. So if I put your handsome on my greeting and just press OK, and remember it says right there you're not allowed to put more than 120 characters. So I just put the name You're Handsome. So let me see if it works, guys. So I'm gonna step out, or I'm gonna pretend I step out of the car, and of course I'm gonna lock the car, wait for it to close fully, and give it a second. There is some lights on, and turn on the car, press brake, and turn it on. The MG will adjust my seat. Let's see if it worked. Oh, did I turn the volume down? Okay. I think I cannot do it right now, but it's pretty simple, as you saw that. And by the way, if you want to turn on and or lower the volume, the voice command volume, you can. This one is for the voice of the MG car. So I hope you guys like this video, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this.